Alright, y'all. We finna make some bangers and mash. Give y'all a little something to cook for St. Patty's Day. Chop you up an onion, cut you up some sausage, just like with that gumbo we did yesterday or whenever. Go ahead and add a little pepper to it, just so to have a little stronger flavor. That's a Scotch bonnet right there. There's the Scotch bonnet. Make sure you don't rub your eyes with your hands because they're gonna be on fire. I got some potatoes going back here. I'm gonna add a little water to them. If y'all don't know how to make mashed potatoes, y'all gonna have to check that out on another video. It's a lot of stuff you can whip up with just some sausage and onions. You got them on hand. You can make a lot of different recipes with just a couple of other ingredients. Especially if you got sausages, onions, and peppers. You can make you a good sausage sandwich just with that. A little garlic powder. Soak up some of that grease. Yeah. And we got onions in there, but it changes the flavor. We're gonna put a little onion powder too. There, you just want to saute this sausage up real good. Get them onions where they looking translucent. I'm gonna cheat again like I did with the gumbo. I'm gonna use this brown gravy mix. Just kind of sprinkle it on here. We're gonna hope it don't clump up too bad. If it does, we'll just eat clumpy gravy. It'll be alright. You're supposed to mix that gravy up cold, but I didn't. So I don't know. I'm gonna stir it. That pepper got me. I'm gonna stir it in with this sausage, onions. Looks like my potatoes are boiling back there. We'll deal with them in a little bit. I'm cooking these sausage right now. Put some water in there to go with that brown gravy mix. I don't know how much. I don't know. About a cup. I don't know how much I just put in there. But if it's too much, I'll cook it out. It'll be alright. Now that pepper I put in there, that Scotch bonnet, it is Jamaican. It is not traditionally an Irish food, but it sure do taste good in there. And there's bangers. We're gonna cut them down on low. Just let them soak that flavor up. I'm gonna do some of these potatoes. Get you a good scoop of it. Serve it on your mashed potato, just like that. Try to get some gravy with this slotted spoon. And that is your bangers and mash right there. Well, I'll let y'all.